Ever wanted to watch your old family videos or downloaded movies from an SD card right on your Google TV? Let me show you the absolute easiest way to do it, even if you're a total beginner. First, here's the deal. Most Google TV devices like Chromecast don't have SD card slots. But don't worry, all you need is a USB-C hub, a power brick, and an SD card reader. Make sure your hub has power delivery. That's just a fancy way of saying it can give enough juice to both your Google TV and your card reader at the same time. Here are the quick steps. Step 1. Plug your Google TV into the USB-C hub. Step 2. Connect the hub to power using a good quality charger. Something like your phone's fast charger is perfect. Step 3. Pop your SD card into the hub. If your hub only has USB-A ports, just use a standard USB SD card adapter. Now, head over to the Play Store on your Google TV. Download a free app like VLC for Android. It plays almost any video file. Or, try Nova Video Player if you like a more organized Netflix-style look for your videos. If you just want to browse files, An Explorer is a TV remote-friendly option. Open your chosen app, look for external storage or browsing, and you should see your SD card. Just pick your video and hit play. Pro tip: if your TV isn't finding the SD card, jump into Settings and System, Storage, and check under Removable Storage. Sometimes it just needs a nudge to show up. And that's it. No fancy tricks, just plug, play, and enjoy your videos right from your SD card on Google TV. Try it out and let me know how it goes.